Hello guys, today we will learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube 3 by 3. So firstly we will scramble the Rubik's Cube. Now the cube is scrambled. I always start from the white piece. So let's find the white piece. So firstly we will make a plus on the white side. Find the white edge pieces and match them with the center pieces like this. Then put the white edges on their places like this. There is no type of any there is no algorithm for this. This you have to solve on your own like this. Now, though we have our edge pieces, we will start by the corner pieces. So, we'll find the corner pieces here. At the bottom of the this is the top, and we will find at the next at the third layer of the cube. This is blue and orange. So we will match blue and orange. Yes. This will come at this place. So please check my moves. We will keep this piece right here. Then we will try to solve it. Now, this is orange and green. So this piece will come here. Solving a virtual cube is quite difficult. Now, as we have solved the first layer, we will jump to the next one. We will find uh, the edge pieces on the third layer and put them on the second layer edge pieces. So I'll show you how to do that. Firstly, put the white on the top and then yes. Now find the non-yellow edge pieces. Edge pieces are these. Edge pieces are these. I'll show you. This is the corner piece. This is the corner piece, and the center one is a edge piece. Is an edge piece. So let's start. Firstly, I will remove all the marks that I have made on the screen. Okay, so this is a non-yellow edge piece. So we will match the edge pieces like this. Now the red and red are matched and the green is on the left hand side. So we would start by doing this. Yes, now the edge piece that was on the center of the third layer here is now here. From here it goes to here. Now we will find some more. This is also a non yellow edge piece. Orange is on the right hand side, so we will do this. Okay. This is also a non yellow edge piece, and blue is on the right hand side, so okay. Now we have one left, but all the third layer pieces have yellow edge pieces, so we will put this on the bottom side by doing this. Okay, now find the non yellow edge piece. Here it is. Now put it on this side. On this side. So let's do this. Okay. So now we have solved the second line also. Second layer also. Now we will jump to the third layer. Firstly, we will make a cross. For this we'll put it like this, right side on bottom, and then no, sorry, this 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 this. Okay, now as we have a straight line, we will turn it horizontal. Turn it that the straight line is horizontal to us. Now we will do again the same steps. F R U R dash U dash F dash. Now as we have plus here, now we have to match the edge pieces. For this we will do this. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, now we have matched all the edge pieces. Now we will move to the corner pieces of the third layer. For this, we know that all the corner pieces are not on their right positions. So we will do this. We will find one of the corner pieces that is on its right position, and I found it here. So we'll put it on the right hand side and then do this algorithm like this. Okay, now we have two corner pieces left. We'll now do another algorithm, which now we know that the the, the corner pieces are on their right positions, right corners, but they are not in the way that it matches to the side. So we will do the algorithm as r dash d dash r d, r dash d dash r d, r dash d dash r d, r dash d dash r d. Now we have put one of the corner pieces on their right positions. Now we will turn this corner piece to here like this. R dash d dash r d, r dash d dash r d. Whoa! We solved the Rubik's Cube. Clapping for all those who have solved their Rubik's Cube. I'll post another video for those who want the video in Hindi.